Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a zebra cake. It is actually a combination of vanilla flavored and cocoa flavored cake. That is why it called to be a zebra cake because of the design in it. So before start this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So the first ingredient I'm going to use is sugar and followed by milk and oil. So I'm going to use a grinder. I'm adding sugar, oil. I'm using refined oil. If you want, you can use ghee or butter, and then milk. So I'm going to make a thick paste. So after that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour and making a batter in it. It is very much important that when you're making a batter, the hand should be very delicate and do not whisk it too much fast. So my batter is ready. Now you can see it's very thick and very smooth consistency. Your batter should not be very liquidy. Now I'm adding vanilla essence in it to give a vanilla flavor. After adding it, I'm going to whisk this and mix it properly. So now it's ready. Now I'm going to take another bowl and divide this batter into two bowls. So why I'm dividing it into two bowls? Because I'm going to add cocoa powder in one bowl and one bowl is vanilla flavored. I already sieved this cocoa powder. So now I'm going to whisk it properly. As you see, one is vanilla flavored batter and one is cocoa flavored batter is ready. I already greased a tray along with a butter paper. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon in the center part of it. Do not be very hurry. Yes, please try to make it slowly because it's a most delicate part. So now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of each so that the batter will have this design shape. This zebra design shape came out. After that, again 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder batter. So just like that, my whole batter is ready. You can see how it looks, very delicate, very good in color, like zebra shape color. So with the help of toothpick, I'm going to give a design. It's very easy, but the most important thing is when you are giving a design, the toothpick should be clean each and every time. Just give one line and then again clean, then again give one line. So just like that, I made a flower shaped design on the top, but when you cut the cake, and you will see it's inside all the zebra shape came. So my cake is ready. Now I'm going to bake it at 180 degree Celsius for 35 minutes in a convection mode. So after baking it, you can see no cracks or no sponge break came out. It's totally flat and it's totally good. It's very hot now. So after resting it, I cut it into a rectangular shape, and now I'm going to place it in a plate. You can serve it with the coffee also. It looked delicious. So I hope you understand my recipe and like also this video, and please try at your house. It's very easy, no need of icing, no need of extra decoration. It's just a simple healthy cake. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.